This is Algebra 2, reviewing for second semester final, Logarithm and Exponential Functions Unit 11. And here we are going to be solving these logarithm functions. So, for starters, if we have log base 5 of 8x is greater than log base 5 of 3x plus 10, what we notice is that both sides are in the function of log base 5. Since these are both in the function of log base 5, 8x has to be greater than 3x plus 10, and now we just solve for x. So we subtract the 3x, so we have 5x is greater than 10, or x is greater than 2. Next one over, log base 4 of n is equal to 1/4 log base 4 of 81 plus 1/2 log base 4 of 25. The only way to get this to work is to have it a log base 4 equaling just one log base 4, and currently we have two of them. So first off, with the values out in front, these become exponents. So 1/4 becomes the exponent of 81, and 1/2 becomes the exponent of 25. So then we have log base 4 of 81 to the 1/4, which is the same as 3. And then we have log base 4 of 25 to the 1/2, which is the same as 5. So now we have log base 4 of n is equal to log base 4 of 3 plus log base 4 of 5. Our properties of logarithms tell us that when we are adding logs, it is the same as multiplying on the inside. So this is log base 4 of n is equal to log base 4 of 3 times 5 is 15. Now, both of these values are being gone underneath the log base 4 function, so we can just say n is equal to 15. Next up, we have 4 to the 3x plus 1 is less than 28. Well, currently our variable is in the exponent, so we can use our properties of logarithms to help us simplify. So we will take the log of 4 to the 3x plus 1, which is less than the log of 28. Our exponent of 3x plus 1 can now be multiplied out in front. So this is 3x plus 1 times the log of 4 is less than the log of 28. Getting our x alone, we could divide by the log of 4. So now we have 3x plus 1 is equal to, well, if we figure out what the log of 28 is divided by the log of 4, we get 2.403677, and on and on. So we would subtract 1 from that. So then we have 3x is equal to is less than 1.40367, and on and on and on. And then we can divide both of those by 3. So we then divide that by 3, and we have x is less than 0.4679. And last but not least, we have the natural log of x minus 5 is equal to 3. So we can put these both in the exponents. So e to the natural log of x minus 5 would be equal to e to the third. E to the natural log of x minus 5 simplifies down to x minus 5 equals e to the third. To get our x alone, we then have to add 5 on. So you have to take e to the third power and then add 5 to it, and so you get a value of x of 25.0855.